Advanced Success, a step for your success.
Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is either of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Students, we know that if an integer a is divided by integer b, then by Euclid division lemma we can represent integer a is equal to b cube plus r, where value of r is greater or equal to 0 but smaller than divisor. Here q is quotient and r is remainder. In the quotient given form is 9m, we can write 9m is equal to 9m plus 0, 9m plus 1 is equal to 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8 is equal to 9m plus 8. On comparing these forms, we find that value of b is equal to 9. Students, if we take b is equal to 9, then the equation will be more difficult because we have to solve a 9 form of integer a according to b is equal to 9. So we try to take a smaller number 9 then, from which we can take 9 as a common factor. If we take cube of 8, we can take 9 as a common factor. If we take 7, we can take 9 as a common factor. If we take 6, we can take 9 as a common factor. On going on, when we go on 3, then after cubing 3, we see that we can take 9 as a common factor. Then we can take b is equal to 3 to solve our question. Now students, if we divide an integer a by 3, then we can represent a is equal to 3q plus r, where value of r will change less than divisor 3 but greater or equal to 0. It means r will go 0, 1, 2. Then form of a can be a is equal to 3q, a is equal to 3q plus 1, a is equal to 3q plus 2. To solve this question, we take the form of integer a directly. So we write solution 5. Let a be any positive integer, then a can be a is equal to 3q, a is equal to 3q plus 1, a is equal to 3q plus 2 by Euclid division lemma. Now we make cube of these forms. A cube is equal to cube of 3q is equal to 27, cube is equal to, we can write 9 bracket 3q cube is equal to 9m, where m is equal to 3q cube. Again we make cube of second form. A cube is equal to, we take second form, 3q plus 1 whole cube is equal to, we open it with the help of identity cube of a plus b. Then cube of 3q, 27, q cube plus cube of 1 plus 3 times of product of square 3q and 1. We get on multiplying 27 q square plus 3 times of 3q and square of 1. We get on multiplying it 9 q. We opened it with the help of identity. Cube of a plus b is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now we write 27q cube plus 27q square plus 9q plus 1. We take 9 as a common factor from 3 terms. 9 bracket 9 3s are 27 q cube plus 9 3s are 27 q square plus 9 1s are 9 q bracket closed plus 1 is equal to 9m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. Again we make the cube of third form is equal to 3 cube plus 2 cube is equal to, we open it with the help of identity, cube of a plus b, cube of first term 27 q cube plus cube of second term 8 plus 3 times of product of square of 3q and 2. After multiplication we get 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 2 is a 54, 54q square, 54q square plus 3 times of product of 3q and square of 2. After multiplication we get 3 3 is a 9, 9 4 is a 36q. Now we arrange the terms. 27q cube plus 54q plus 36q plus 8. We take 9 as a common factor. We get 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q bracket close plus 8 is equal to 9m plus 8, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. Thus we can write cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 for some integer m. Hence proved.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.